Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert low resolution graphic to razor sharp vector in Photopea. It's really simple and easy. First of all, go to image and image size. Resize your graphic to something big like 2000 by 2000 pixels. Make sure you choose the nearest neighbor of interpolation. Then click on this OK. Now Ctrl plus O, convert the layer to a smart object, then go for this view, then go for this filter, go for this blur and Gaussian blur. Adjust the size until you can no longer see the pixelation. Like this, I'm going for this 12 or 13, then click on OK. Next in the select menu, pick color range, pick shadows from the list, adjust the max field until you see the logo is properly selected and click on OK. Apply a mask to a layer, add a color overlay with a black color. Control plus click to a new layer and create one below the current layer. Fill it with white. Click on the layer to activate it at a levels adjustment layer. Drag both white and black sliders to somewhere in the middle. You will start to see the blur disappear from the edges. Click OK once you are happy with that. Next, go to select and select all. Then go for this edit, go for this copy merged. Click on levels layer to activate it. Then go for edit or paste or press Ctrl/Command plus V. Go for this image and go for this vectorized bitmap. Set the number of colors to and check this reduce noise. In the preview window, you should see that your logo is transformed into a highly scalable crystal clear graphic. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to convert low resolution graphic to razor sharp vector in Photopea. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.